We are going to discuss how to round off a number to a given number of significant figures. There are few rules which we adopt, which we follow when we round off a number to a given number of significant figures. And we shall discuss those rules while doing the examples. In general, we start counting significant figures by the first non-zero number. For example, if I have question 1, if I have 0.06052 and I have to give the answer correct to one significant figure. Correct to one significant figure. What I will do, I will start from here. These two numbers will be with the answer as they are not significant, but they are the part of the answer. My first non-zero number will be first significant figure. As I have to give answer correct to one significant figure, so I shall choose this number and I will select the next or check the next. If the next number is equal to 5 or more than 5, I shall drop it, but it will give 1 to the previous. If it is less than 5, it will be simply dropped and the numbers after it will also be dropped. So my final answer right now, correct to one significant figure, is 0.06. This number has two decimal places, but this number has only one significant figure, which is 6. If I have to convert this number correct to two significant figures, this area will be taken as it is. I shall select two numbers. My first significant figure is first non-zero number. This 0 is sandwiched between the non-zero numbers, so it will be treated as significant figure. I will check the third one. The third number is equal to 5, so it will give 1 to the previous number and we shall drop these two. So my answer will be 0.061. This answer has right now two significant figures, 6 and 1. My next number is 0.003824. First of all, I have to convert it correct to one significant figure. What I will do, I will take this with the answer. My first non-zero number is my first significant figure. I shall check the second non-zero number or the second number after the first non-zero number. This is 8, which is more than 5. So I shall give 1 more than 4. I shall give 1 to the previous number and my final answer will be 0.004. This answer has one significant figure, which is 4, but this area 0.00 will be the part of answer. Right now this number is a 3 decimal place number, but there is only one significant figure in this answer. If I have to convert the same number to two significant figures, I shall select two non-zero numbers, first two non-zero numbers, and check the third one. As the third one is less than 5, so I shall drop this along with this and my final answer correct to two significant figures will be 0.0038. My next number is 2.0057 and I have to give answer correct to two significant figures. I shall take it, select the first two significant figures. As 2 is non-zero, so this is my first significant figure. As these zeros are sandwiched, so these are significant. So these two numbers 2.0 are my two significant figures. And now I have to check the third one, which is 0. As 0 is definitely less than 5, so I shall drop it, and along with this I have to drop 5 and 7. My answer correct to two significant figures is 2.0. This answer has one decimal place and it has two significant figures. 2.0 is equal to 2, but this 2 has only one significant figure. I have to give the answer correct to two significant figure. So my answer will be 2.0 as it is having right now two significant figures. Similarly, if I have to convert this number correct to three significant figures, I shall select 1, 2, 3 numbers. This is non-zero. So I shall select it first significant figure, and the two zeros which are sandwiched between the non-zero numbers are also taken as significant figures. So I have to select the fourth number. My answer should be three significant figures. So I have to select the fourth number. And this number is as equal to 5. So it will give 1 to the previous. And my final answer will be 2.01. This answer has three significant figures. The fourth number was 5 and it has given 1 to the previous, and then we have the answer 2.01. Now I have whole number 4276. I have to convert this whole number correct to one significant figure. My first non-zero number is 4. The second number is 2, which is less than 5. This 2 will not give anything to 4. So my answer will be 4 along with 3 zeros. Why I have put these 3 zeros? Because this number is basically 4276. My first significant figure is 4. 2 is less than 5. It will become 0 and all these remaining numbers will be 0. My significant figure, one significant figure answer will be 4000. I cannot give the answer as 4 as it is a whole number. So rest of the numbers are going to become zeros. Similarly, if I have to convert the same number correct to two significant figures, I shall select the first two, check 7. Now this 7 is more than 5. It will give 1 to this 2 and my answer will be 4300. So 4276 correct to two significant figures will become 4300. If the same number, three significant figure, what the answer will be? 1, 2, 3 significant figures, and our answer will be 4280. As this 6, the fourth number, we need the answer correct to three significant figures. Our fourth number will give 1 to the previous as it is more than 5, and our answer will be 428 and it will itself become 0. Now I have 40,004, the next number. If I have to give the answer correct to one significant figure, my answer will be definitely 4 along with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. If I give this number correct to two significant figures, my answer will be, these are two significant figures, my answer will be same. If I give this number correct to 3 significant figures, then I will have these 3 selected. Check this one. My answer will remain the same. If I take this number correct to 4 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I shall check this 4 as it is less than 5, so my answer will remain the same. So 40,004, this number, either I convert it correct to 1 significant figure or 2 significant figure, 3 significant figure or 4 significant figure, my answer remains as 40,000. The next example is 0.834. I have to write the answer correct to 2 significant figure. I can write it like this also. So 2 significant figures will be 8 and 3. 4 will be checked and my answer will be 0.83. The next example, 0.60027. I have to give the answer correct to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. The first non-zero number, second and third. I have to check this 2. This is less than 5. My answer will be 0.600. The last example, 0.059002. I have to give the answer correct to 4 significant figures. I shall take the first non-zero number as first non-significant figure, second significant figure, third and fourth. I shall check this 2 and my answer will be 0.05900, as this 2 is less than 5 and it will give nothing to this 0 and we shall drop it, but my answer will have 0.05900, 5, 9 and these 2 zeros, all 4 are significant in this answer. Few more information about significant figures. All non-zero figures in a number are significant. Means if we have 7.12, it has 3 significant figures. All non-zero numbers in a number are significant. Number 2, all zeros between the numbers. For example, if we write 2008, these 2 zeros are significant as they are between the number. All zeros at the end of a number. For example, if we have 22300, it has total 5 significant figures. All zeros at the beginning of the decimal are not significant. For example, 0.00325 has only 3 significant figures. All zeros at the end of a whole number may or may not be significant. For example, if we have 20,000, it may have 1 significant figure if we are discussing about thousands. It may have 2 significant figures, it may have 3 significant figures and so on.